Hi there, my name's Morna. Welcome to this My World of Work live session, where today we'll be looking at light refraction and how to make glass items appear invisible. Before we begin, check out the accompanying worksheet for this activity, which can be found on the My World of Work live pages on the My World of Work website. You can follow along, learn and understand the science behind it, and then complete the activity yourself. You'll also learn more about the world of work and the job roles which are connected to what we'll be learning about in the session today. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation and it travels as a wave. When light hits a surface, it can either be absorbed, reflected, or deflected by refraction. When light travels from one material to another, it changes speed, and this change in speed also causes it to change direction. The change in speed and direction is measured by something called the refractive index. In this session today, we're going to be figuring out how to make glass items appear invisible. For this session, you'll need vegetable oil, a collection of Pyrex glassware, that's heat-proof glassware that you'll find in your kitchen cupboards. The inside of a cafetiere, for example, is perfect. A kitchen roll, and a wipeable surface or cover to do the activity on. For this experiment, we're going to use oil and Pyrex. I've got a wee Pyrex test tube here. If I place it in the vegetable oil, I'm sure you can probably see it. Now, that's not because you're seeing the glass of that test tube, it's because you're seeing the air inside it. So watch what happens, look very closely, when I submerge the test tube and allow it to fill with oil. It effectively disappears. Now that's because Pyrex and vegetable oil have very similar refractive indexes, so the light is travelling from each medium at the same speed. So if you take it out and do it again, you can see it's filled with oil, which you can see. Tip it out, there's your messy part. Pop it back in. All see it? Now you see it, now you don't. So, effectively, you've made something invisible just by using a few household objects, which is amazing. Well done and thank you for taking part. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like more information, advice or resources to help you discover careers which match your skills and strengths, or to find out more about roles in science connected to this activity, then visit the My World of Work website. Check out the other activities and sessions that you can complete at home to help you discover the world of work.